So this is an Atari 800 that I've had for quite a number of years. Been meaning to get around to fixing it. As you can see, no picture. Now it took me a while to air this out, or at least I put the effort into it recently because I bought the capacitors to recap the board. I've actually got two. I've recapped the power board, not on this one, on the other one, and the circuit diagrams and the service manuals are freely available online. You can find them in lots of places. Anyway, according to the manual, round here is the video circuitry, and this chip here, I suspect, is the one that's faulty. Now, actually no it is, because I swapped a chip out of my other Atari 800 and I've looked up what this chip actually does. It's, I think, a signal amplifier. Hex Buffer it's called. I've done some research and found some replacements. So today I'm going to find out if I can fix this issue where it can't tune in with any one of these. Now it may well work using an RGB cable. I've not tried it. I'm going to recap it. It's in bits. I may as well buy the parts and see what happens. So I'm going to pause this here and swap the chip out. This one is a CD4050B EXV. The other ones are similar to the chip in my other Atari 800. So here we are, a little later, and I have put the new chip in. It's an Motorola chip, MC14050BCP. I believe the CP is the package type. Also worth mentioning, so I could have this all open, I've put a bodge wire on the back of this clip. Anyone with an Atari 800 knows that it won't turn on unless the cartridge slot lid is down. So I've just bodged a wire, which I need to remember to take off when I put this all back together, after I've recapped this power board, that is. So yeah, here goes. Let's turn it on. Let's hope nothing goes pop. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's only working. Right, there you go. If anyone else has a similar issue to me, where they can't tune in the television to their Atari 800, if they ever really wanted to do that, that's probably the culprit. I spent a long time prodding things with a multimeter and checking transistors and whatnot. Everything seemed fine. That was the last thing. To be fair, I probably could have just taken out the one from the other Atari 800 and just shoved it in straight away. But there you go. That has fixed it. Also worth mentioning is this plastic piece that holds in the RAM and the cartridges has to be taken off, because you can't really get to this. I mean, you could use a screwdriver. I find I always bend the pins if I do that. I've got this sort of puller thing that works, but you have to be careful with that too. Again, I bent pins, but less. I bent them less with them. So let's turn it on again, put this cartridge in, and see if, there we go, there's Donkey Kong. Whee. All working again.